Now, when I received this SP3 Elecraft speaker that I had recently acquired for use with my K3, when it got here, I hooked it up to my K3 to see if it was working. And I was really disappointed because the audio was completely distorted and also only at a very low level. So I thought I would have a look inside and check on the speaker and see what's wrong there. At first, I suspected this little toggle switch to be the problem because I have repaired a speaker before that had the problem at this very point, and the connection of this toggle switch was bad, which caused the distorted audio. I cleaned it and brought everything back to perfect function, but not in this case. I disassembled the speaker and took a closer look at it. It is a Misco 93088 that Elecraft uses here, and the Elecraft part number is given on top. It's E980305. And I inspected the speaker, and the problem was pretty easy to see because this part where the coil is connected to this actual speaker has apparently broken over the years. So this is the reason. The speaker is damaged. Searching for a replacement speaker was pretty easy. I mean, Elecraft offers these speakers, but with this quality I would not want to spend a lot of money in shipping from the US to here, plus the money that the speaker costs. So I decided to find an alternative, and I found from German Visaton, I found this speaker. It's called FR7.12, and that's the order part number here, and this is what it looks like. I have already installed it to the original Elecraft bracket here, and as you can see, it is a 100% substitute for the original and 100% fitting. So the only difference I could spot is that it has 8 ohms as opposed to the Elecraft original having 4 ohms, but I believe that is not a big deal in this matter. That's also true for the power rating. The original Misco speaker rates 15 watts, whereas this one rates only 10 watts. But as the K3 amplifier puts out nowhere near 10 watts, I don't see a problem here. So I'm gonna assemble the whole unit and give it a try. I'll give you a little demonstration of the difference in the sounding. First, the original SP3.
Golf 7 again. Golf Mike 7 again. Okay, Golf Mike 7, Alpha November Echo 59, okay? 73, thank you. Alpha Oscar 75, Mike Uniform.
And now the modified speaker.
Oscar Mike again.
Oscar Mike 5, Whiskey Bravo.
Oscar Mike 5, Whiskey Bravo, 59.
Roger, you are also 59. Good luck.
73, Alpha Oscar 75, Mike Uniform.
In my opinion, the replacement speaker sounds even better than the original one with the Misco speaker. It has a little more bass in the sound and not so much treble. It does not sound as compressed as the Misco one, I think. So I really do prefer the Visaton speaker. And I'm gonna definitely replace the other speaker as well. So I have 2 matching and really well sounding speakers, I think. Okay, that's all for now. 73s from DL9SCO. Hope you had fun.